Yeah. So first of all, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining the morning session. So today is our first class. We are going to start. So as part of today we are going to discuss about the SAP Basis Administration, SAP Basis Administration part here. This is the purely technical work, technical stuff, technical topics we are going to discuss in our day-to-day classes. There is no coding involved. There is no functional things, and also security things also we will cover in as part of the basis administration here. So along with this basis administration, so we are going to cover the SAP HANA and SAP Java. Java means it's not the coding, it's a SAP Java NetWeaver Java administration topics we are going to cover it here. So these three topics we are going to cover as part of our day-to-day work in this course work, in this batch, right? It's a SAP basis and HANA administration part here. And also some other stuff like service marketplace related things and SAP, some other outside of the topics also we will cover it here. So this is the one. So before that, here few members are new to SAP, right? IT field or something like that here. Here you will get some technical words you will get it out here. So here, first of all, we would like to know what is mean by here. So what is mean by here? So SAP here. First of all, we would like to discuss about the what is SAP. What is SAP here? So SAP is one of the ERP product. SAP is one of the ERP product here. ERP means enterprise. ERP is the one of the big organization, one of the software organization here. ERP packages here. ERP company. ERP is the package here. Enterprise resource planning. So under the ERP, we have the many other applications will come into the picture here. SAP is the one of the application here. Under the ERP, we have the Oracle apps, so mainframes, right? Siebel CRM, and PeopleSoft, Siebel CRM, and the PeopleSoft. So like that, and also we have the SAP, right? So under the ERP, we have the SAP applications will come into the picture. Under the SAP, so we have the n number of SAP products will come. So SAP means is a application, system application here. So if abbreviation wise, if I talk about the SAP means systems, applications, and product in business, so data in business data processing here, in business data processing here. So in your business, if you want to process your data, orders, payments, or anything, you need one system. Then we need one application that is called the SAP application. You need one product that is called the ERP product, right? SAP is the one of the ERP product here. So like that, if you want to process your application, you need one systems, applications, P means product. So in business data processing here, right? If you want to process your data, you need the one SAP application you required. Not only SAP application. Here in the industry, many applications will, we have the in the IT industry, we have the many business applications to support the business here, right? So before SAP, we have the mainframes. So mainframes also would support the business here. So after that, when SAP comes, all customers have started using the SAP applications for their business here. Business critical applications and everything, they are using the SAP applications here, right? So here, SAP, 1972, 5 ex-service IBM people, 5 ex-service, so 5 ex-service, so German IBM people, 5 ex-service German, so IBM people, so they have invented they have deployed they have delivered this SAP product here. They have 5 ex-service IBM people, they have founded this SAP product here. From in the 1972, depends upon their business, depends upon the business criticality during that time. So the criticality is the everything is in the manual ledger, right? in the 1972 that time. So when we don't have that applications and everything, so everything, if you go to the one of the shopping mall anywhere, we have to manually take the bills. And if you go to the one factory, manually they will count the employees and register. There is general ledger book and they will count it. But nowadays, when the software is growing, the software is going, new innovations are coming. It's everything should be the automated procedures, right? So there is a lot of softwares, IT industries, and they are using the new softwares, new applications for their employees to track everything, right? So in that, SAP also one of the software applications for the for business purpose. For every business, they are using the SAP applications here. So who developed means 5X service IBM people, they have developed the SAP application in 1972. Depends upon their business processing here. We don't need much history on that one here, but so here SAP, we have the multiple products are there in SAP here. In SAP, we have the multiple products. In SAP, we have the multiple as technologies. We will call it as the products. Sometimes some people, they will call it as the technologies, products. So this is the SAP. So under the SAP, we have SAP ECC, and these all are the SAP products here. SAP PI, SAP BW, SAP CRM. So then SAP, so then PO, then SAP portal, ATM pendant motions, they will use the portal screens here. SAP S4 HANA, then SAP Fiori, then SAP MII, SAP APO. Like that, in SAP, we have the 150 plus modules are available in SAP here, entire here. So it's not like that you are going to learn all those things here. It's not easy, that much of easy. So here, but our technical work, our basis work, basis means it's a pure technical here. We are the administrator for the company. So our work is common. Our work is common in each and every system here. Basic work is common in each and every SAP product here. So yes, in every product. These all are the SAP products only. SAP means it's not the single word, single application. SAP, after the SAP word, you will get the so many technologies here SAP deployed here. Depends upon the business, they are in the all. Suppose, take example, if you go to the Unilever or if you go to the any other shopping, you will, so suppose for example, you will go to the Unilever products. If you go to the Unilever products, Unilever is not only in the chocolates, they are in the biscuits, they are in the shampoos, they are in the household related activities, they are in the many way, right? They're not only one, they are not only stick with the one product, right? They are in the more. They're in the more. Same as like SAP also, it's not only related to the one application here. So they have the more applications, more products they have. So they have released it to the market here, right? So in that here, these are the commonly used products like ECC, BW, CRM, like PI, portal, S4HANA systems, Fiori systems. These all are the most used products for every business. For every business, they will use the common products are SAP, ECC or S4 HANA systems. Then SAP BW or SAP PI or PO systems. Then SAP portal systems. Then SAP CRM or SRM systems. So then we have the SAP Fiori, portal front-end tiles, apps-based concept here. So these are the most frequented more frequented technologies, for every business. Suppose you are going to start the one food business in India, then definitely you need the one applications, right? For taking the deliveries, orders and everything. That time, SAP will help you for the food business here. In the militaries, airports, in airways, railways. Example, railways. In the railways, our Indian railways. So here, the Indian railways, here we can see IRCTC, right? IRCTC, SAP, they are using the SAP for their ticketing tool business and everything. They are using the SAP here. Per day, it's old 2018. In the 2018, they written like close to 21 million tickets. They are booking the tickets daily. So here, SAP helped here. SAP helped for their business. SAP helped for this business for ticket booking. It's a very easy now. Ticket booking in the IRCTC is very easy now. Why? Because so SAP is helping. That's why their business is very easy now. Central government business here. Not only here, in the finance system, some other countries, they are using the metros also. SAP, they are using the metros. Pune, Bhubaneswar metros, and some of the state finance systems also, they are in the SAP system side. They're in the SAP. I know. So that's why it's not only one business, stick with the one business. All the business, they are using the SAP. That's why nowadays the recruitment, the requirements, recruitment also more. Why? Because to support these systems, to support their issues, functionalities, performance, and everything, definitely here the basis team is required for their business here. Right? Basis team is required here to support their servers and everything. If the server is down, the banking sector also, they are using the SAP. If the server is down, what will happen? So then definitely if the SAP system is down, server will be down. If server is down, then what will happen? Server means SAP here. They are using the backend product like SAP. So then if the server is down, what will happen? All the transactions will lose, right? Same, if IRCTC is down, no one will book the tickets, right? So same way, there is a lot of business impact. That's why the criticality of the SAP applications are very more here. Some of the business, the criticality is very more. The impact is very more here. So that's why SAP will play the critical role for the every business, for every customer, they will use it. And also the simply easy for easy administration part, and also easy security. Security also more security is providing for their products. And also SAP easily adaptable, means easily we can change it. We can change the easily we can change the code for the SAP. Easily we can change the code here, right? Easily we can change the code here. So every developers here, they can change the code. So easily they can adapt. It depends upon the business page. They can change the code in the SAP here, right? So this is some introduction about the. If we want to discuss, we can discuss 2 more hours also for the introduction. But so not that much of introduction is not required. So just a basic introduction is required here. That's fine. And also here, as I mentioned here, 5 service IBM people, they have developed this SAP application here. So along with this one, so are we only one team here? If I talk about the team structure here, are we only one team here to work support the SAP systems? No. So we are only one part here. With us, we have SAP basis team, SAP ABAP team, then SAP security, then SAP functional. In the functional means here we have the FI, CO, AP, AR, then SD, MM. So like that, they have the number of people are available in the market here. Teams are available in the market. So functional teams are more. Security people, security team, ABAP developers. ABAP team is called the development. So here the ABAP team will do the development activities here. Basis team will do the administration activities here, admin activities here. ABAP team will do the development activity. Security team will do the security users creations, roles creation, everything here. Functional module, functional team, they will do the scenarios creations and everything. They will work on it here. So with us, and also in the same SAP systems, users, end users, they will also work on the systems. So with the 5 teams, end users means who will book the orders and payments and everything. Functional teams, these all are the IT teams. With IT teams, along with the business, the business users also will do the business in the systems, right? So in the one SAP system, one application, these many teams will log in and will work on it here. We all will support to the users. If they face any issues or any errors, we'll all face. If the IT team also will face anything here, then basis team is the whole and soul is the basis team is the responsible for all the system performance related issues, system development, implementations, all kind of work we have to do it here. We have to do it all kind of work here. This is the one here. So let's talk about the versions, the modules which we are going to discuss here. So here we are going to discuss about the SAP ECC, SAP NetWeaver, so then SAP HANA, so then SAP, so Java. Java means it will come in the network part. These are the in this technologies, in these servers, we are going to discuss about the SAP basis administration topics here. So and also we will also discuss about the Yes, our basis administration on the S4 HANA also. It's the same. As I mentioned here, our basis topics are same in the everywhere. Each and every product like either ECC or either BW or HANA. So almost few activities may be different, but almost it's same. Our activities are basis activities are same here. So we are the responsible for starting the systems, stopping up installations, then support level work. So migrations, upgrades, all kind of work we are the responsible as a basis consultant here. So here it's a purely technical. Don't think we are going to learn about the, once again, don't think we are going to learn about the coding part or functional part. We are the pure administrators, pure technical part. It's a easy for administration part. If you learn one administration topics in one system, either ECC or NetWeaver or S4HANA, we can do all like any administration activities in the any SAP systems. Any SAP systems is any SAP technologies, either CRM, BW, SRM, VI. So it's same. It's a same here. So let's talk about the versions here. So the first topic which we are going to discuss about the versions of the SAP versions here. So when they have released, how they have, so innovations are coming into the market here. So first of all, they are in the R1 architecture. In the 1972, they have released the R1 architecture here. Then 1972, 1979, they went to the R2 architecture. Based upon the mainframes, they have released the R2. R means here real time, 1 means tier 1 architecture here. Real time tier 2 architecture here, 1972 here. Then after that, these are the not much successful here, not much successful here. Then in 1992, in the 1992, they have released the R3 architecture. R3 in the 1992, they have released the R3 architecture here. So now this architecture used in the many years. This architecture useful for the many years. They have released it here. Then after they have released the 4th generation. This is we will call it as the 3rd generation business suite. This is the 2nd generation business suite. This is the 1st generation business suite here. Now later they have released the 4th generation business suite is called the S4. S4 means so S4 HANA systems, S4 systems. So in 2015, they have released in 2015. So they have released the S4 here. So R3 to S4, they are the many years here. So which means SAP S4 means simplified 4th generation business suite here. So real time 3-tier architecture, real time 2-tier architecture here, real time 1-tier architecture here. So like that, so they have changed their architectures and also new innovations into the market. So everything they are changed here. They are changing to the market here. Everything they are changing into the market here. So that is what SAP is doing, innovations, new innovations and new technologies, new adaptations. Everything is getting so easy. Nowadays, automation processes everything. So from R1 to S4, so like that they have changed their architecture and everything here. So maybe we have started working on the R3 architecture. For your batch, you have started R3 architectures and S4 architectures we have here. Now these architectures are not, SAP is not supporting. There is no more softwares also here to available to practice this, all those things here. So R3 is the main. R3 means real-time 3-tier architecture here. So let's draft the SAP architecture, how it will be here. So this is the presentation layer here. This is the application layer. This is the database layer. For SAP, DB is the dependency here. So presentation layer, application layer, and DB layer here. This is the GUI, means presentation layer. We are here. Then this is the application layer here. This is the DB layer here. So normally we are here with our laptops or phones or smart devices here. From here, we will just open the any one of the application here, either IRCTC in the browser or Facebook or Amazon or Flipkart, anything we will open it here. Just we will with that application, you will book the ticket. that, but application will depend upon the one of the database here, DB. DB will, what is mean by DB means databases. It will store the data in the form of tables here. So this is also we are going to discuss here. Applications, the DBs, both we are going to discuss here. So DB, it will store the data which is coming from the applications here. So directly we cannot connect to the database. So application will connect to the database here. But as a basis consultant, we can work on the DB administrations and the SAP administration also here. But users, so when you are working in the IRCTC, will you go to the database level, right? We will only access to open the application. Then from that application, you will open the ticket, you will book the ticket will go and store into the transaction will go and store into the DB table level here. Suppose example, IRCTC. Why? Because we know best one, this is running on the SAP. So here we will go to the tickets, ticketing tools and book the tickets. Then ticketing tool will book the ticket easily. Previously, if you want to book without, even they don't have the SAP, when you book the tickets, it's like very hard, right? We are not sure whether the ticket will book or not here that time, in the 2011 that time. So 2011, 10 that time, right? So nowadays ticket booking is very easy IRCTC, even from you are trying from the mobile also. So that much of easy. So here presentation layer, application layer, database, we have the 3 layers of the SAP architecture here. So normally users will log into their laptops or browsers or smart devices. They will open the application. They will do the transactions, orders and payments, everything they will book from application. The application will store the data into database level. So that will happen here. That is what the business scenario use case. So same SAP also here. We have the presentation layer, application layer, and database layer here. Here we have the SAP application. We will install it here. Here we will install the SAP DB here, right? So here coming to our topics, what we are going to discuss here, the SAP application and DB administrations. All those things we are going to discuss in our regular classes here. So suppose example, let me open the course content here. What we are going to discuss here. Introductions. Now we know, right? System landscapes, installations part, and also user administration. So there are the topics, subtopics there, client administration, background jobs, performance tuning, transport, spool. These are the subtopics in the patch administration using the some tools. So you are going to practice daily activities, monthly SAP upgrades using the sum tool and DB related activities. All those things we are going to discuss in our regular class, along with the Java administration also here. Okay, Java administration also we are going to discuss. Whatever the SAP basis consultant required, we are going to cover in our day-to-day regular classes here. Whatever we required, 0 to 10 to 12 years, 13 years experience people required, everything we will cover from basics to higher level, we will cover in our day-to-day classes here. This is about the topics, and so we are going to start the classes here, right? So now let me pause the recording here. So I will stop it for today, just introduction.